Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to sew the waistband on now, and you'll see that you've got a notch here, and that notch actually matches up with the center front. And this little bit is, matches with the extension. And again, you'll find, like, because the interfacing might not have a cut in it, but the fabric does, you can actually go around and, and snip those. It's important that you've got each of those notches. And too, if any of the interfacing is actually going past the fabric, trim it back before you start sewing, because otherwise you could be sewing, like, the seam allowance could end up a lot smaller or bigger than you want it to. Now we've got there's notches on the other side of this piece, so notches on both sides. So we want to sew the edge with no notches together, because that'll be the top of the waistband, and the notches. So obviously we need the notches to match up with the side seam, centre back and the centre front. So this is a 1 centimetre seam, and just match this up as you go along.
The notches, yep.
Yeah, if you match the notches up, then you know that that this side is actually being matched up too, and so you don't end up like with that at the other end. And use the edge, like the line on the 4, as your guide for the 1 centimetre if you need to. So all the way along the top edge. Now when this is sewn on, it'll be sewn on this way, and then this will flip to the inside. So what we're now going to do is put a row of understitching along this top edge so that we get that nice roll so we don't see the seam. So that means we just need to push the seam allowances towards the right hand panel, and we'll just run it all the way around. And so it's just there, just on top of the seam. Okay, so now we're going to, we've got that done, and we're going to, actually what we might do is just press that now. So that's pressed to the inside, and we'll run a row of overlocking along this right hand side, which will go down on the inside.
Yep.
So just one long press, and then just pressing it along the edge there. You just remember to use the foot pedal for the steam.
Yes.
Yep, so that'll be on the outside, and then on the inside it's just rolled on nicely. Okay, so we're going to now overlock this edge, because this is the inside edge with the understitching on it. And actually, as you're doing this, you can just check to see if you need to clip in, because even though we're overlocking off them, you'll still be able to use the notches as reference points.